Is Photoshop telling you your scratch disk is full, grinding your editing to a halt? Don't panic. We're about to fix that in under 90 seconds. This error basically means Photoshop's temporary storage is overloaded, usually because your hard drive is running low on space. Let's free up some room. First, close any other programs you're not actively using, especially resource-savvy ones like video editors or other Adobe applications. This frees up valuable RAM and system resources. Next, clear out temporary files on Windows, search for disk cleanup, and run it, making sure to select temporary files on Mac. Use a utility like CleanMeMac or manually delete files from your library caches folder. But be careful only to delete files you know are temporary. Now, let's tell Photoshop to use a different drive or multiple drives. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and select Scratch Disk here. You'll see a list of available drives. Make sure the drive with the most free space is checked. You can even select multiple drives for faster performance. Prioritize your fastest drives, like SSDs, at the top of the list. Finally, let's purge some of Photoshop's caches. Go to Edit, then Purge, and choose all. This clears out image previews and other temporary data Photoshop stores. Be aware this is irreversible, so only do it if you are sure. Restart Photoshop. Hopefully, you should be back in business, editing smoothly without that frustrating scratch disk error. If the problem persists, consider upgrading your hard drive or using cloud storage to free up even more space. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips.